The Pawnee militia is made of security contractors. That means when they fuck up, they lose business. If I create some fuck-ups, they'll send more men. That means less of them at Bloom. Let's see this route T-Bone sent. And these guys are on a pretty direct path. Lots of opportunities for me. Okay, Bloom doesn't know what hit him. We've got a window.
Damn. I wish I'd known you years ago. The things we could have done.
Don't worry. We'll do lots in Chicago. You got your virus ready for me?
More or less.
More or less?
More. It'll work. I think.
What does that mean? I'm walking into the lion's den.
Don't be dramatic. You reach their servers, this thing will work.
And you're the legend Claire has been raving about.
The what? Who?
Never mind.
Underground hacker group DedSec has released another video openly deriding the Chicago police for trying to access the group's database of members. In the video, the anonymous spokesperson tells the police they are playing a game they are doomed to fail.
T-Bone's coming with me to Chicago. Gotta breach the building. Bloom's head office. Security specialists. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy. And I'm a giant blip on their radar. But once I'm done here, I got Raymond Kenny in my back pocket. I'm near the entrance.
Hey man, be careful. You can't just waltz in all how'd you do. The entire perimeter is monitored. They spot you and they'll put the servers in lockdown. That'll end things real fast.
So don't get spotted. No problem.
The fuck? Okay. Okay. Remember your... Whoa! Where the hell did that come from? Better be dead. Go look.
Stay on your toes.
Keep your eyes open.
I repeat, the damage match is full of heavy pigs. Garrett should be ready very soon. 8 and 4.
What is
kidding. For Bloom's profitability, we have to make sure the Weasel gets elected. So all aboard the Rushmore train. Choo-choo. Fuck. Just listen to this asshat. If you're like me, you're fed up with the blowhards and their hyperbole. We are at a crossroads here. With one path leading into economic and social ruin, and the other, if you'll just walk with me, leading into a new age for Chicagoans.
Keep your eyes open. Who's there? Hey, I can see you. Come on out. Ah! Ah! Stay on your guard.
Let your guard down.
Could still be someone out there.
Stay on your guard. Stay on the lookout.
This'll work.
Let someone else deal with this shit. Stay away.
Don't relax just yet.
Okay, that was weird.
Who's there? Oh,
There'll be
shit!
someone around.
Okay, fuck. There's gotta be something going on. Fuck. Okay. Okay,
Hang on,
this
what-
shit is on.
was that-
Okay, alright, you piece of junk. I got my eyes on you. Whoa!
Yeah, that's not normal.
I did not sign up for this shit. What the fuck, man? Whatever. This city's buggy as shit.
Don't relax just yet.
My fucking ears! This faulty equipment is bullshit.
Whoa!
Keep an eye out.
Whoa! Look for him. Go over there.
It isn't over yet.
Watch it! I got nothing. I'll check over there.
I got nothing.
Clear.
I'll check
head
over
that
there.
way.
Looks clear. I'll head that way.
Stay alert, just in case.
I don't see anything. Gonna move on. Don't see Jack.
Target's gone.
Keep your eyes open.
Ah, what is this shit? Oh, Jesus, fuck my ears.
Keep an eye out.
Somebody call maintenance.
Don't let your guard down.
Still be someone out there.
I haven't got all the pieces yet, but that corrupted video from the Murloc, somehow that's connected to this bellwether code. There's an opportunity here. Something beyond simple vengeance, something memorable. I'll need to be careful. If I involve Eden, he can't know my motives. The man's reckless, self-centered. But he's got a curiously strong moral compass. It's a terrible weakness. Makes him hard to control.
Stay awake. There.
Looks like nothing to worry about.
Keep your eyes open.
I'm in position. Shouldn't take me long.
Once you've dropped the spyware in, it'll launch a virus. That'll scan the system for my data and wipe it all.
And they won't detect the spyware?
Nope. I'll be able to watch them, but no more watching me.
Miss Gardner, there's a Damien Brinks here to see you.
Damien Brinks? What's this about?
He said it's about Raymond Kenny.
I see.
T-Bone.
Send him over.
I've done it.
Yes, ma'am.
Your name's wiped and the spyware's in.
Yeah, I'm getting pings already. Good job. Now get out of there.
In a sec. A name came up on the server. Someone I know is in the building. I'm gonna check it out.
Don't screw around, Aiden. These guys ain't country yokels.
I'll be there soon.
Waste of time.
You've got my attention. Let's talk about Raymond Kenny.
One thing at a time. You should know I've come across some dirt on a few CTOS executives.
What kind of dirt?
The expensive kind. Relax. This isn't blackmail.
If not money, then what?
It's simple. You can have the dirt.
Very little is simple. What's your price, Mr. Brinks?
I want inside CTOS. I'll give you Kenny, the dirt, even the vigilante once I'm done with you. I know the people upstairs would never allow it. But they don't have to know. And Kenny is right here in Pawnee. Isn't that convenient?
Please excuse me. We have Kenny. Get moving.
Always a pleasure to be of service.
Alarm's been tripped. Search the area.
Damn it. Damien's gonna fuck this all up. Why can't he see that? We need Ray Kenny. Gotta get him out of this.
Be careful!
Moving on.
There's nothing here.
Moving on.
Watch yourself!
Find him. You hear me? Heads up. Be careful. Watch yourself. Start searching. Watch it.
This area's clear. I'm moving on.
Nothing over here. Moving on. I don't see anything. Gonna move on. I got nothing. I'll check over there. Stay on your guard. Don't relax yet.
What the shit?
Don't let your guard down.
Damien gave up T-Bone. Said he'd stop me, and he's actually trying. He won't win this one. You got trouble headed your way. Bloom knows where you are.
I think you're confused, amigo, because I clearly remember sending you in there to erase me from Bloom's radar.
Well, it worked, except the militia's coming for you.
Some days I should just listen to the voice in my head that says, stay in bed.
Some days, yeah.
Jesus, tap dance for Christ. All right, let's hurry the fuck up. I hope you're better with a gun than these guys are.
Stay on your toes.
Don't relax yet.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Search that way.
Come on! Come on!
Be careful. Let's find him.
He's not gone. Start looking.
I got nothing.
Be careful.
Watch it, man. Don't get it.
I don't want to be next.
Look out.
Start searching that way.
Look out. Keep searching. Look out.
Watch it! Stop wasting time. Look!
Watch yourself. It's heads up. Gonna check somewhere else.
This is your fault. Search the area. Be careful!
Here. Shit. Don't hesitate.
It's me.
Are they dead yet?
I'm working on it.
I dropped out of med school for this shit. Go that way. I saw movement there. Oh no!
I got some mean-looking kids on my lawn here. Better gun it.
Take the shot. Locked in.
So we're clear. I'm holding you responsible.
That's fair. We need to get moving.
Shit, I'm gonna have to blow the whole place up. I need to arm some more traps. Damn shame. Keep them off of me! Follow me! Bomb's in place, but it ain't ready. The detonator needs a few seconds to reach its charge. I need to make sure they can't deactivate them. You got earphones?
What?
Exactly. You need some appropriate music for the occasion, my man. All right, they're steady. Look at the trap. You got something better to do? Get them on. Hey, they work. How about that? Now we're cooking with gas. Always knew my heart would be away. I need another minute. Damn! See that? They took out my truck. Like there's somebody really wanted to be dead. Are you okay, man? Taking some...
One good shot is all I need.
I should have been paid more.
We're clear.
One place rigged. One more to go. Detonators only need a few seconds. If we want fireworks, we gotta hold 1 second. Can't let them move in yet. Hold them off. Just about there.
Pack it in. I live.
live for this shit. You're not getting away from me, motherfucker.
I am not happy right now! Not happy! Hold them off!
Pulling the others! Got it!
Okay, go! Go, go, go! Let's go! Shit, sniper! What in hell? These guys aren't messing around, Aiden! Jesus H! Get them guys!
Hey, asshole!
I'm allergic to dying, Aiden!
Watch out, I'll cover you.
Oh shit. This is bad.
This way! Hey, I told you it was all gonna go to shit, man. Woohoo! Here, you want to do the honors? Wait a second, whoa. Hang on. For my portfolio. Go ahead. Aiden, move your ass!
Hey, sorry about the attack.
Don't be. I try not to get attached to things anymore, because I'm used to losing them.
Yeah, I need to learn that. I don't let go very well.
Oh, I'm at Mount St. Helens right now, believe me. But that don't mean I'm not grateful. Despite that setback, I'm a free man now. I owe you. Now it's back to Chi-Town. So, you got a place for me to stay, man?
We're squatting in your old CTOS station.
Not the bunker. Well, that'll do it. I can't wait to pick apart these files of yours to see what's caused all this hullabaloo.
That data can't leak, T-Bone. I'm trading it for my sister.
You got nothing to worry about. You did me a solid. Now it's my turn. Feel that? That's the weight of trillions of bytes of information at your fingertips.
Well, you are gonna have to lay low here for a while.
Uh-huh. What's this all about?
I don't know. She's somehow connected to an old job. Someone doesn't want me to find out why.
I'm happy you're well. You want to tell me what happened?
Corporate espionage, crooked cops, big explosions, honey. And you are?
This is Clara. Clara, this is T-Bone, otherwise known as the legendary Raymond Kenny.
Really?
We can't all be pretty in this game, honey.
No, I mean, wow. I'm a fan.
Oh. Enchanté.
All right.
What happened?
Well, Damien was there.
What? How did he know?
I didn't know he was working on a deal of his own. Something with Bloom.
You never told me that.
Hang on.
No, hang on nothing. You better tell me what you're messed up in, all of it, or I ain't decrypting jack shit. Now, Damien and Bloom.
You don't need to worry about that.
I'll decide what I need to worry about, Aiden.
You listen to me. I want a name in that server. Now, our deal is I bring you the information, you decrypt it.
Well, then you got a big problem.
Hey, we need your expertise. The server is using your encryption. We need Raymond Kenny.
Are you sure you're gonna be able to get this data without getting caught?
No.
Yeah. Finally, some honesty. Well, you better get going then, man. Claire here can fill me in on a few things.
Thanks. Well, I got my little band of misfits. Clara's on monitors, T-Bone's helping me breach Iraq's fortress, and Jordy... Well, Jordy does what Jordy does. It's time to see what Iraq's been protecting.
Where the hell have you been?
Pawnee.
Oh, my condolences.
I'm going inside Rossi Fremont. I need your help.
You don't pay me enough. I'm not entering that death trap.
You don't have to. I need you behind the scope.
Again? Ah, it's more reasonable. Hey, you won't guess where I am.
You're absolutely right.
I'm watering your plant.
Maurice, put him on.
What? What? Who is this?
If you don't talk, you don't leave.
Oh no. Come on, please. I got no name. You don't understand. I'm trapped. I can't stop. I can't stop seeing that little girl. She's just looking at me.
Shut up. I said, shut up.
All right, Weepy, back to your corner. Jesus, Pierce, what did you say to him?
You'll meet me there. Rossi Fremont.
Of course. I'll be in place.
a lot of opinions swirling around the Chicago vigilante known as the Fox. With us is criminal psychologist Dr. Simon Tark. Dr. Tark, what are we to make of a vigilante?
I'm not inclined to make a judgment on someone I haven't met. But it's probably safe to say that he thinks he's helping. I doubt he's thinking of long-term consequences or the collateral damage he's causing.
Why now?
It's difficult to say. He might have been the sort of person his whole life that tries to protect those he cares about. Or it's possible there's been some catalyst. A victim of a crime, perhaps. I think whatever the reasons, it's fascinating. If he's listening, I'd just like to caution him to take a moment to think before he acts.
All right, go.
Shooting! No! Let's get that guy off our backs once and for all. Please, please.
Yo.
Shit! Ah!
Dude belongs to always one in the crowd. On through.
We are an international collective. We are rising.
Yo. What's the problem? Need a hand home? Be back. I know it.
Ain't right. Just ain't right. I am not pleased.
Damn it.
No, sir. Come on now. Oh, come on. Ridiculous. I don't think such a pain.
I'm pissed. Don't think I'm not.
Such a pain. Oh, come on, man. I am not pleased. Whatever. No, sir. Ridiculous.
Right.
There's always one in the crowd. Oh, I do not need this.
Clown with a knife. Haters turn to memories, money to infinity. I'm willing to die if it means I'll kill my enemies. Got no time for them bitches at the bottom. The boys with the tools, man, you know that we got them. Hands up. Put your hands up if the boys coming
WKZ-TV's recent opinion poll shows that people are rallying on the side of vigilante suspect Aiden Pierce. People are even offering to protect Pierce. However, Chicago PD warns that doing so could lead to criminal charges.